What efforts are being made to contain the Oregon fire near the town? The strategies firefighters use to stop wildfires can surprise you and show how science, technology, and human bravery come together in a race against time. To contain the Oregon fire near the town, firefighters are using a mix of controlled burns and creating fire breaks. Controlled burns remove fuel in a controlled way ahead of the fire, while fire breaks are cleared strips of land that act as barriers. These methods slow the fire's advance, giving crews a chance to gain control. Both air and ground teams work together, with helicopters dropping water and retardants, while crews on the ground cut vegetation and dig trenches to starve the fire of fuel. Technology plays a key role. Drones provide aerial views and help spot new flames early. Satellites monitor the fire's size and movement from space. Infrared scanning detects hotspots that might be hidden by smoke or darkness. This real-time data allows incident commanders to deploy resources precisely, enhancing safety and efficiency. Using these tools, teams can predict how the fire will behave based on wind and terrain, making their response smarter and faster. Protecting the town's residents is the top priority. Evacuation orders are issued early to keep people safe. Emergency shelters are set up for displaced families. Local officials and volunteers help with community preparedness, distributing information on how to reduce fire risks around homes. This teamwork between residents and responders strengthens the overall effort, ensuring that everyone stays safe while firefighters battle the blaze. The efforts to contain the Oregon fire near the town reveal a powerful blend of nature, technology, and human courage working together. Firefighters risk everything, using advanced tactics and tools to protect homes and lives. Every wildfire challenge expands our knowledge and preparedness. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay informed about the world around you.